Hey, what's going on, crew? Welcome back, man. Hey, so today I'm gonna do a quick little intro, and before I do my intro, I just want to do a quick little update. You guys watching my previous videos, I did a 10 by 17 Harbor Freight, I guess, garage canopy, and since the wind is blowing like crazy, I actually had to come out here, and I never did put my stakes down and stuff, as you know, down in the ground. And when I came out here, man, I opened up the front of the canopy. It just took off like a hot air balloon, man. And this is where I keep bullseye, and also I keep blue ash. So I rotate them back and forth depending on what I'm doing in the garage that day. But as you guys see, man, this tent is holding up great, and I got the front of it up, and the wind is really blowing really hard, guys. But also today is really just not about this canopy. I actually want to talk to you guys about old blue ash here. So we are gonna actually finally start doing the build on blue ash. Of course, you guys know I am still working on her, but as of last couple of weeks, we finally got her running good. I put new fuel injectors in her and stuff, so I'm still tweaking her a little bit and still doing upgrades, and I'll be showing you guys that as well. But the main thing today is we're gonna start with the build of blue ash, and I am so excited to bring this footage to you guys. I got a lot of footage, I got a lot of filming. First couple of videos, I'm doing a little bit of narrating, guys, but as you guys know, I am getting better at filming everything. I get so excited, so sometimes I actually forget. But this first film is going to be about me basically taking over to my buddy Count's house. He let me use his garage to do all the body work because he has a really big shop over there. So I was actually over there several weeks sanding on old baby, man. And you know, I put a scaffold around her, and I tell you what, Counts did not help me not one bit. He's my mentor, but he tells me how I'm supposed to do it and what I should be doing. And if one thing about him, man, I tell you what, I sand it and sand on this thing, he would come around, and every time I think or thought that it was ready for, you know, either more primer or whatever, he would come out with this daggone black pencil, and here a circle there, and like, well, if it was me, I would go ahead and make sure that's flat as can be. So he helped me out a lot, man, and I really do appreciate Counts, man. So anyway, guys, we're gonna get right into this video, and I'm so excited to bring the build of the blue ash to you guys of my 53 Chevy Panel Truck, and you're gonna see it from beginning to this here, guys, and how we got there. So anyway, without further ado, man, let's get into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm getting into priming. As you see, that beige primer is on the cab and stuff, and that's what I actually did first. I did the body work on the roof and top. It, like I said, it took me several weeks to actually get that all smooth and really shining like I wanted, to getting ready for paint. And I did all of the body work and stuff over at Count's Customs place. He got a much bigger garage and stuff, and he was nice enough to let me use his bay while he was working on his other projects as well. Now I'm getting into some dip pulling in the rear bumper area and stuff. That thing was really beat up, so I actually fabricated a lot of pieces, and they must have dropped a couple of bricks or logs or something, because it was pretty beat up. But now, as you see, we are smoothing it out, and I'm about to use that beige primer that I talk about so much, that I love so much. I try to do all of my outer pieces first, roughed them up, sanded them down, get them ready for paint, because it's not a lot of parts once you really think about it as far as this panel truck compared to the trucks that I've done in the past. Now this is the hood, and this was actually a brand new aftermarket hood, so it wasn't really any dents or bad spots on this hood, but later I found out that the hood did not fit properly. Unfortunately, with all these aftermarket hoods and stuff, even though they're new, now this is the finished product as far as me doing all the body work and priming it and sanding it. And this is actually what I started out with. I started with the gray 2K primer, and afterwards I changed over to the beige primer. This primer is still a lot easier to sand as well, but as far as when you put your guide coat on this primer, it's kind of hard to sand it off. With that beige primer, and when you put that black guide coat on, it just basically just slides right off, and it doesn't gum up your sandpaper as bad. But as you can see on this hood here, I mean, she's shiny. I mean, the gray primer, after I wet sanded it, I mean, it looks like it's just, it actually looks like paint. But catch episode 2 for a lot more video. Alright crew, hey, we're finally came to the end of the 53 panel truck, guys. This is going to be the first series of many. And as you guys know, I'm currently still working on blue ash. I decided to get in the vehicle, guys. I'm about to head to the house. Just got through going to get something to eat and everything. But I just wanted to come and put a little intro as far as things what we're going to get into, man. And we got a lot of stuff in store for blue ash. As you guys saw, she wasn't as in bad shape, thank goodness, as all of my other vehicles. I think the 62 that we built was in pretty bad shape. The 47, of course, guys, Bullseye, she was in a swamp. Had to be in a swamp, so I think I'm getting better at picking some of these vehicles out and stuff. So anyway, we still got a lot of work to do with blue ash, guys, but it's gonna be fun, just like all other builds and stuff. So hey, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure you check out the other builds. If you have not already watched them, go back and catch up with everybody, guys. So like I always tell people, man, if you got a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them. I'll catch you guys on the next build, guys. Have a good one.